This is the projector painting. High-tech learning. There are 3 lantern slides, 21 patterns, and 12 color pens. These are the color pens. This is the projector, and these are the lantern slides. Let's keep the colors aside for now. Let's take out the projector. This is the projector painting art textbook. This is the lantern slide. These images are visible when the light passes through them. Let's keep them aside too. Now turn on the light, and we see the image of the aeroplane on the sheet. Let's start drawing the outline, starting from the wings. Let's color it. Now let's make the outline for the rest of the plane. Towards the front of the plane, a little darker here, and these lines. Make sure you draw all the lines so that we have the perfect shape of an aeroplane. The wings on the other side. Let's color it too. Nice and easy, gentle strokes. Fill the color in, like this. Now take the orange color and start filling it up here. And this section too. Now at the front, make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. By the side of the wings at the back. And now take the color yellow to color the top and the sides like this. Yay! Our aeroplane is ready! Happy flying! So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. These are the dice. And this is a rope. This is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're going to use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. So we're going to learn some magic trick, and we have these props to choose from. So I'm gonna pick, alright, I'm gonna pick these 2 thimbles. So now we're gonna do a magic trick using this cloth and this thimble. So let's get started. And now you're gonna see some magic trick, for which I'm gonna place this thimble on my index finger. This is right here. Now I'm gonna open up this cloth. There's nothing on the cloth, as you can see. Nothing stuck, nothing hidden. Let's spread it wide. You can look from this side too. And the other side. It's just a cloth. And as you can see, the thimble is empty too. There's nothing inside or outside. There's nothing stuck to it. And there's nothing in my hands either. They're all clean. You see? Alright. So I'm gonna place the thimble on my index finger like this. And then I'm gonna hold the cloth from this side and put it over the thimble like this. Abracadabra! Ta-da! Alright! The thimble was inside the cloth. And with the magic, it's above the cloth now. You must be wondering, how did that happen? It's time to reveal the magic. Alright, so let me keep this aside. Let's check out the cloth both the sides. There's nothing. And my hands are clean too. There's nothing on the hands, back and front. You see? The thimble was under the cloth and then it came on top. How did that happen? Alright, no more suspense. I'm gonna tell you the trick for this magic right away. So here it goes. As you see, I place the thimble on my index finger and then I put it under the cloth. But while I was covering it, I kept my left hand under the cloth as well. And very smartly, I brought it up. And the magic was that I had picked the thimble from my left hand like this. So I'm gonna go slow this time for you to notice it. So the thimble was here. I had covered it with a cloth like this. And then, very smartly, I sneaked my left hand under the cloth and picked up the thimble in my hand, which you couldn't see. And there is a trick to pick up the thimble too. I actually switched my index finger with the middle finger so that it was easy for me to pick up the thimble right away without any struggle. I just took it off and then I took out my hand and the finger under the cloth had no thimble at all. So it was in my hand all the time. And then I pretended to do the magic just to show off. And while moving my hand over the cloth, I smartly placed it on the finger like this. Ta-da! And that's the magic. It appears as if the thimble came through the cloth like magic. But there's no hole in the cloth. So it appears like the magic. So that was the trick. I hope you guys liked it.